Hey there, welcome back to Skill Ful Solutions. In today's video, we're diving into the world of freelance opportunities by showing you exactly how to create your very own Fiverr account. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out, Fiverr can be a fantastic platform to showcase your skills and connect with clients worldwide. So let's not waste any time and get right into it. Step 1. Sign up. To begin, open up your favorite web browser and go to www.fiverr.com. Once the homepage loads, you will see a join button at the top right corner. Click on it to start the registration process. Step 2. Choose your account type. Fiverr offers two main account types, buyer and seller. Since we are looking to showcase our skills and offer services, we will choose the seller option. This will allow you to create a profile and offer your services to potential clients. Step 3. Connect your account. Next, you'll be prompted to connect your Fiverr account with either your Google account, Facebook account, or your email. Choose the option that's most convenient for you. Step 4. Complete your profile. Now it's time to create your profile. This is where you'll showcase your skills, experience, and expertise. Choose a professional profile picture that represents you well, and then fill in your name, a catchy title, and a brief description of what you can offer. Step 5. Add your services. The heart of your Fiverr account lies in the services you offer. Click on the Create a Gig button to start creating your first service. Give an attention-grabbing title, a detailed description, and set a price for your service. Step 6. Gig extras and package. You can also offer additional features or package to enhance your service's value. These are called gig extras and packages. Customize them to provide clients with more options to choose from. Step 7. Publish your gig. Once you're satisfied with your gig details, hit the Publish button. Congratulations, your gig is now live on Fiverr, ready to attract potential clients. And there you have it, folks. You've successfully created your very own Fiverr account and published your first gig. Remember, success on Fiverr takes time and effort, so make sure to keep honing your skills, delivering outstanding services, and providing top-notch customer service. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more skillful solutions to enhance your freelancing journey. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, keep leveling up your skills and making mark in the freelance world. Take care.